Hello guys. How's it going? Today we will learn how to convert flat words into waving words. It's so easy with short keys. Let's start it. First you will need to draw straight line. Press F10 in keyboard, adjust line as your desired position. After adjusting desired position, now type any word you need. Click on word, go to tool. Click on text. Click on fit text to path. An arrow will appear on screen. Click on the path you have made. It will be fit on your drawn line. You can adjust 7 types of designs available left side on Corel screen. These are whole design here. Adjust as you want. Now you can easily manage it. Change color. Font size adjustment. Insert gap. It's so easy now, our fit to path creator. Thanks for watching.